It was previously bullish because of this breakout structure. Then after that, price created a liquidity grab at this point, and then finally it created a change of character. And after this change of character, price took out inducement here, validating this point here as a valid lower low. And then you can see price came all the way back to this extreme order block. And after mitigating the extreme order block, price dropped with a very huge bearish push. So here price successfully created another breakout structure on the H1 time frame. Successfully created a breakout structure. So now it means price is bearish also on the H1 and the H4 as well. And on the daily is also bearish because we are looking for bearish move to the daily time frame imbalance. So here you can see price is bearish, and we don't have any inducement created except for this one, which is very far from the current market price. So it will take a lot of time for price to come back to this inducement. So it's more likely that we're not going to be using this inducement, but you see price creating another inducement here, and then this inducement will be moved to this point. And after this inducement is taken out, we can be looking for intraday setups on M5 time frame, targeting this low here. Suppose we'll be looking for shorts because the H4 daily time frame and the H1 is bearish. So now if we go to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that price is in a bearish momentum. Let me just do here you can see price took out inducement, created this valid lower low, then this lower high was validated when price created a new breakout structure, and then price just started moving, creating impulse and pullbacks, but none of the pullbacks was taken out to create an inducement. And this is the last inducement that we had at this point, which is taken out. So when this inducement was taken out, it validated this point here as a valid lower low, and we have this decision order block at this point. So it's also likely that you see price selling from this decision order block when the market opens, right? So if the market opens with no more price action, like you see small candlesticks forming, then you can sell from here. But if the market opens with a gap, then it means we'll be looking for another setup. So since this is the decision order block, we can be risking like 0.25 or 0.5% of your capital, depending if you're trading a prop firm or personal capital. Then this is our extreme order block, right? So it means if this decision order block fails to hold price or push price lower, we are more likely to see a new structure being created here, something like this. Then we have another breakout structure. Then price will continue bearish until it reaches the imbalance on the daily time frame. Then after that, we can start looking for bullish momentum going to the H4 extreme order block. So basically, this is it on the AUD USD. I'll be sending the charts in the group today before the market opens, so you can see some entry opportunities when the market opens tonight. So yeah, now I'll go to another pair, which is Euro US dollar. So on the Euro US dollar, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see price was very bullish, right? But there was indecisive price action because you can see here price created a breakout structure. Then after that, it created a change of character. So after this change of character, I was expecting to see some bearish moves from here. And as you can see, price just give us a bearish reaction, but price could not continue selling. It created another adjustment. So you can see after price mitigated this point, it went all the way down to this point here, then continued bullish. So it meant these buyers were now in control and the sellers lost control, and price created a new change of character at this point. So after this change of character, it meant price is now in a bullish momentum. But this is our extreme order block, and this is our recent adjustment. So I'm anticipating to see price going short, going bearish until this extreme order block mitigation. Then you can look for bullish entries from this point here, right? So this is for H4 time frame. Then going to the H1, you can see the similar thing. Price was in a bearish momentum, breakout, change of character, breakout structure. Then this change of character failed. It was a liquidity grab. Then price finally created a change of character. And after this change of character, you can see price started going up, creating impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. Let me delete this. Okay, impulse and pullbacks. So this is the extreme order block for the H4 time frame. Let's make it visible only there. Okay, so our structure points is from this low here, the lowest point, and the highest high is not yet confirmed because price did not take out the adjustment yet. So when price takes out this adjustment, that's when we have a confirmed higher high. on the H1 time frame. So this is our adjustment on H1, and I'm expecting price to continue bearish up until this adjustment is taken out. Then we can expect a reaction from any of these areas, which also happens to be an extreme order block on H4. So this means on M5 we'll be looking for short entries, because we have our point of interest below this adjustment here. So here you can be looking for shorts. So going to the 5-minute time frame to get clear price action, you can see that price was in a bearish momentum. So I think one of you guys sent an analysis in the Discord channel anticipating these shorts, and I think many of you also got this trade. This was a change of character because it's the last valid pullback, and after that price went back to this extreme order block. Then I took a trade from this order block was mitigated, so this was the last recent order block which was not mitigated, and price just tapped the order block and started selling. And after that, price created a valid breakout structure here. So after this breakout structure, we can see price took out adjustment. Price took out adjustment on this point, and after adjustment was taken out, price created a valid lower low, and then price did some liquidity grab here. It failed to create a proper breakout structure. So after this liquidity grab, it meant that this lower low is transferred from this point here to the point which is responsible for taking out liquidity. So it means our new lower low will be now at this point here. And after that, price successfully created a new breakout structure. So after this breakout structure, it meant we now have a new valid higher low as well, which is at this point, right? So after this structure point we have from this high to this low, we look for adjustment, and in this case our adjustment is this one. In this case, this is our adjustment, and we have our decisional order block which is lying on this area here. This is our decisional order block, and the extreme order block, it's not valid. Oh, it's valid, this one right here. This is our extreme order block. So on H1 price is bearish, on H4 price is bearish, on the N5 price is also bearish as well. So once price tap this decision order block, we can look for shorts, but with less risk. Then if price go for this extreme order block, we can also look for shorts with a moderate risk. So yeah, this is it on Euro USD. I'll be also sending chart markups for this pair in the Discord community. Then lastly, I'll look at USD JPY. So on USD JPY, you can see this was the trade that I was looking for last week, and you can see it got missed by price, just missed this point and went down, then started buying. This was a very painful trade, but it's fine. So just to do a quick recap on this trade, so here you can see price was in a clear bearish momentum, breakout structure, adjustment taken out, then you have a valid lower low created, then breakout structure, then adjustment taken out. So I was originally looking for shorts from this extreme order block, right? But then price failed to mitigate this extreme order block. It just missed it by a few pivots. Then after that, price went down to this breakout structure, right? So after price failed to mitigate this and create a new breakout structure, it meant that we have a new valid structure point, which was this one, or a new valid high, right? And this extreme order block is no longer valid. And after that, price continued to buy, and it closed above this higher high with a full body candle close, meaning we now have a new change of character, right? So when price created change of character here, it means we're now looking for bullish moves. And if you look closely, you can see that after this change of character was created, we already have new structure points, this one being our lower low and this being our higher high. So on this higher high, why is it a high high? It's a high high because price already took out adjustment in this area, and this decisional order block failed to hold price, and we have an extreme order block, which is this one, right? This is our extreme order block. So you can also make use of the Fibonacci tool for extra confluence to see if price is in a discount level, which it is here. So we're more likely to see price, because this decision order block failed to hold price. It means we're now looking at the extreme order block to look for bullish entries. So what price is more likely to do is just range here, then go to this extreme order block, then continue bullish. So one other thing is, if you have realized, if the pairs that are against the dollar are buying, the pairs that dollar are against will be selling. So you can see on Euro USD, I'm looking for shorts because it's Euro USD and it's Euro against the dollar. Then on AUD USD as well, on M5, I'm looking for shorts because it's AUD against the dollar. But all the pairs that the dollar against will be buying. So if AUD is selling and Euro USD is selling, it means USD JPY is buying. So this is another extra confluence you can use. So yeah guys, this is basically it for today. I will be sending these chats in the Discord channel. I'll leave this time for questions. If anyone have any question, you can ask or you can type in the chat.